So this is gonna be an interesting week. What's poppin', guys? Welcome back to the franchise. Okay, upgrade time. Kenny gets an upgrade, let's go. Okay, George Pickens also gets an upgrade. One thing I wanna see real quick, is Kenny at least like top 29 in yards? 31st still, okay. 12th in touchdowns though, that's pretty good. Oh God, this is not looking like a good, ooh, Herbo sold. Last play of the first quarter, I just gotta bump this outside. That was the worst possible idea. Why can't that's 2 interceptions. Well, for every game that I don't throw an interception with Kenny, there are games where I throw 4 with him. Okay, Jimmy Graham, if they don't shift over to him, could be a touchdown here. And they didn't shift over to him, touchdown. Should get as many yards as, Deontay just got flattened, and Najee is loose. And Najee's gonna get a touchdown off of this. Love to see it. Oh, goodness, please don't fumble, Najee, please. I know you're tired, it's okay. Okay, good. Najee got a touchdown. Najee, 231 yards. And Kenny's back to 32nd in the league in yards.